Good morning, everybody, from Bali, Indonesia. After 5 weeks of traveling in Europe and in Canada, I come back to Bali to see my wife, to be with my wife. But I was thinking if I ever come to Bali for the very first time right now in 2023, or after a very long break, like a 3, 4, 5, 6 years, where I would come for the very first time, for the very first day. And I just figure out, I just realize, and I do the research, and I check out when most of my friends or many people coming, and Canggu will be the place, and the La Brisa will be the first place what I will visit. And here we go, I'm in La Brisa, Canggu. Very tropical, very beautiful place. Gonna have my morning coffee. It's 10 a.m., so it's still kind of morning vibe. Surfers are in the water, and overall is hot. It's hot, but here, thanks to the ocean and thanks to the tropical vibe, it's still enjoyable, at least up to 11, 12 o'clock. This is the La Brisa Bali. Check this out, the concept of the architecture, how they build this place. It's very tropical. It's beach, bar, club, restaurant, however you call it. You can say whatever you want, but overall this is a place where you can enjoy your time, and it's open all day. They have a swimming pool. They have a construction where they keep the coconut trees, actually, coming through the roof, through the construction, which is so cool, like this one, very tropical. A lady was smiling to me. Probably every day somebody is filming here. I'm not gonna be different. I'm sitting here today because those places are reserved and for the minimum spend. But if you're coming for the only coffee or something, you're gonna get a summer seat. And that's how does it look like. Some people already enjoying their time at the morning. I'll show you a little bit the place actually. Usually I used to like sit here, but this is like a dining room, but it's like cool, you know what I mean. There is a little bit more place over there open during the daytime when it's getting busier. Still people preparing. I will just have a look. Wanna show you actually the surfers. This is the huge place, as you can see. And then there is the surfer spots. You can enjoy the beach like this one. Here we go. And the surfers. This is like the most epic spot, VIP, I could say. If you come early, first come, first surf, you can enjoy the view of the, the best view overall. Check this out, like this one, and direct view of the ocean and the surfers. Here we go, some waves. Oh, somebody's taking the wave actually. Here we go. I have a few surfers as my viewers, so here we go, guys. That's for yeah. And yeah, overall, very cool place, very enjoyable, and I like the tropical concept of this place in general. So cool. And of course, if Bali must to be coffee, and of course must to be tropical fruit platter, which is actually mango, strawberry, dragon fruit, watermelon and pineapple. Nice, actually, with the beautiful view and beautiful vibes. Especially at the morning is the most beautiful because the best light, the most beautiful, enjoyable breeze. And what is even the most important, there is not that loud music and it's not that overcrowded like during the sunset session. But sunset is also beautiful, especially if you are on the top of this building over there. It's so cool. So I will enjoy my first morning jet lag coffee in La Brisa, Canggu, Bali. Overall, very cool, very enjoyable, very beautiful concept of the place, and nothing to complain about that. Prices are, well, Canggu prices, not the cheapest, not the most expensive one. Still in Poland cheaper than here in La Brisa, at least. No, in general than in Bali. But that's not the point. The point is unfortunately after the pandemic they don't serve breakfast. Even they open at 10, there's no menu for the breakfast. The concept before pandemic, it was just more enjoyable. It was breakfast was good. More people were coming due to the breakfast. Now it's like only beach club. So yeah, it's not always beautiful, but the fruit platter like this one and coffee also do actually kinda healthy. This is actually what many people thinking when they coming to Bali to eat actually healthy food like this one. So I will enjoy and I will show you a little bit of the Canggu surroundings. And as you can see, more and more people coming now, so it's good to see. Also, I want to show you some morning waves. Maybe not the biggest waves today, but the people have a big smile. At least I saw the guy driving to the beach with the surfer board having a t-shirt like that. Small waves, big smiles. So here we go, guys. Oh, here we go. Some ladies doing it. Oh, nice. I'm not a surfer, but I don't mind to film a little bit for you, especially from the cool place like this one here right now. Alright, I'm in the village center of Canggu, because Canggu is not the city, it's just the village. Basically not much has changed since the last month or two when I was filming here, with the exceptions of that as they building the footpath. So everywhere here will be footpath in next upcoming weeks. Actually construction of the footpath, and then the footpath when they're gonna finish, because they're in the corner, they already building in starting from La Brisa, and all Canggu will have a footpath. Eventually, finally, happy days. That's actually very, very good. And that's the shopping complex, restaurant complex. The guy hit somebody here. You know, regular stuff in Canggu, what I'm gonna tell you. Or in Bali in general, because the guy met some chick and needs to talk about, you know, flirting, you know, cheaper than Tinder, the Tinder Plus, stuff like this one. He already have a broken window anyway. What's going on here actually? This is Canggu. This guy, well, this is Canggu in general. There is the new shortcut there, so everybody using it. Actually, you cross this little gang and you can go to Oldsman from the main junction, actually main street of Banjar Canggu, of Canggu in general, the Grab, people walking. Yeah, this is where there are shops. So basically, if you go that direction, there will be La Brisa, where I started today's video, and the promenade actually, there is no promenade, just the footpath, is construction starting already there. Where is this guy? So, you know, excavator is driving there. A little bit messy situation, better to avoid, but well, there's only one road to go there, and that's the Canggu Line. I will go actually maybe a little bit there because there are some restaurants. Just wanted to show you a little bit what's going on the main corner. This is it, this is Canggu, this is Bali. You normally miss the honking in Europe. Not many people hunger, but here, yeah, you can still hear the honks time to time. After that, it's 11 o'clock in the morning, and it's already hot. When I was sitting in La Brisa, it was okay, but now it's become very hot at 11. Also, there are some cafes where many surfers chilling around. Canggu long time ago, 10 years ago, it was only popular to few hipsters and surfers. Now, this is like the most popular place in Bali so far. But it feels a little bit quiet for 11 o'clock at morning on Friday afternoon, I'm gonna tell you. But it's already October, end of October, so it's technically end of the high season. But after pandemic, we don't know what is season, what is not, what is high, what is low. Everything is kinda low actually. Here we have also nice place, it's called Penny Lane. Pretty nice place in general for the breakfast and already chilling. We made the videos there with Winnie a few times. And basically if you go this way into this road, there will be some beach, and you can go also to the Oldsman. You know, regular Bali stuff. Actually, I'm fighting a little with my jet lag, but I'm trying to show you also what's going on. Nice place, nice sitting on the top actually. A lot of nice places for morning breakfast, coffee, everything. You know, it's end of October, but it's still beautiful weather, still sun and shiny. Cable still wingle here. Families coming. There will be also some hotel there, and they're actually going to the beach. And one sure thing about the Bali is that as no matter what time of the year you're gonna come here and what time of the day, they will be hot. Very, very hot. Now it's already more than 35 degrees. It's super hot. Maybe 30 degrees actually, but it's gonna be 35. But overall, it's very enjoyable. No rain yet. Rainy season is actually somehow starting right now, but it's pretty dry for this year. But let's say as the rain gonna start in November and December, January. December, January is the worst actually. But it's still gonna be weather like this one. It's just sometimes gonna be rainy for an hour or two. Maybe half of the day if you are really unlucky. And after that, this is Bali, and that's the Bali vibe. Actually, Canggu right now. Just not so overcrowded. That's what I'm gonna tell you. But tomorrow with Winnie, when she's gonna have a day off, hopefully we can go to Ubud, and let's see how's the situation in Ubud, because so far in Canggu is just alright, but busy enough. I'm gonna tell you. I believe Seminyak at morning is way more quiet, but have to go to Seminyak one day as well, and that's the situation on the other side. So that's the shopping complex. Also want to show you a little bit. I park my ride here. And that's the little bit of messy situation where is the construction of the footpath because the trucks coming. The roads in general are small. Additionally gonna be footpaths, which is good thing and bad thing at the same time, because could be even better if they make it wider, but there is no room to make it wider, if you know what I'm talking about. So yeah, let's see how it's gonna work out, but at least pedestrians will have their own footpath, which in my opinion is good. It's needed in Canggu. And then there is little alley also, there is La Fabrica, many nice restaurants everywhere around, and the constructions as well. So that's it. And also the tea and coffee Bali guy on the bike is here as well. Overall, Canggu vibe, Bali vibe at the morning. Basically, this is how and where they building the footpath. So the footpath is gonna be ready when they finish, but they make it actually proper footpath. Little bit small, but it's gonna be cool when they finish. Good for pedestrians. The road probably the same size as it was. Pretty, that's it for today. I'm going back home, editing video, resting a little bit, close down myself somewhere where is the aircon cold. Gonna sleep probably for a while because I just realized that the jet lag is working way more harder if you're traveling from west to east. I thought from the east to the west is harder, but actually from the west to the east is way harder. So from Europe to Asia is definitely painful jet lag. So I hope I will see you tomorrow. I hope I'm gonna make it the video tomorrow, but I expect you to watch my videos tomorrow. Well, tomorrow our next video anyways. Thanks so much for watching. See you tomorrow, guys. See ya. Take care. Let me know if you're happy as I come back to Bali, by the way.